Good morning, 4th class children. Now let us open your course book, children. Open page number 67, children. Let us continue the yesterday chapter, children, that is time chapter. In the previous video, what we have learned, children? What we have learned? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, and 1 day is equal to how many hours, children? 24 hours. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 hour 60 minutes, 1 minute 60 seconds. Now 1 hour has how many minutes, children? 3. How many seconds? How many seconds? 3600 seconds. Now let us see the next concept, train time. It is Rohan's last working day before the school closes for Diwali holidays. Rohan is going on a tour to Delhi with his parents for 1 week. He is very much excited to see the Taj Mahal, Parliament, Red Fort, etc. Their train is at 8 p.m. Rohan's eyes were on the clock the whole day. Note down the time which reflects Rohan's schedule. Look here. Rohan went to school at how much time? 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Or you can write like this also, children. 9 o'clock. There was a recess break at which time? 10:45. At 10:45 or 45 minutes past 10. Next picture. His lunch time starts at which time? 12:30. 12:30. He came home at which time? 4:15. At 4:15. After coming back from school, he kept looking at the clock. His father told him that there are still 2 hours for them to start from home. What time will they start from home to the station? After coming back to school, he kept looking at the clock. His father told him that there were still 2 hours for them to start from home. So at what time he come back to school? At 4:15. 4 hours 15 minutes plus 2 hours how much? That is 6:15. After reaching the station, they waited for the train to arrive. The train came 20 minutes late. What time did the train arrive? First, correctly, at what time the train arrived? 8 p.m. But here 20 minutes late. So the train arrives at 8:20 p.m. 8:20 p.m. p.m. means post meridian. Ritish, come inside now. Duration of time. Next concept, duration of time. Ritish, come inside now. Take a bath and start doing your homework. Called Ritish's mother when he was playing outside. Coming, mom, replied Ritish. Ritish, it's 6:30 now. You are supposed to start your homework by 6 p.m. advised Ritish's mother. For how much time did I play today? Asked Ritish. You played for 2 hours today, replied his mother. Oh, is it? How did you calculate the time, mom? Asked Ritish. His mother explained him how to calculate time. Let us also learn to calculate time duration or time period. Our activities are estimated using time. Activities of very short time are measured in seconds and activities of very long time are measured in hours. Very short are measured in seconds. Very long time are measured in hours. Let us see one example now. We know the school starts at 8:30 a.m. and stays open for 7.5 hours. What time will the school be closed at? School starts at 8:30 a.m. which is 8 hours 30 minutes. It stays open for 7.5 hours which is 7 hours 30 minutes. We need to add 8 hours 30 minutes to 7 hours 30 minutes. Let us add 8 hours 30 minutes and 7 hours first. 8 hours 30 minutes plus 7 hours. How much? 8 plus 7? 15 hours 30 minutes. How much? 15 hours 30 minutes. Now add 30 minutes to it. 15 hours plus 30 minutes plus 30 minutes. 30 plus 30? 60 minutes. 60 minutes means 1 hour. 15 hours plus 1 hour, 16 hours. The school will be closed at 16 hours. Usually we use a 12-hour clock. So 16 hours is equal to 12 hours plus 4 hours. 12 hours plus 4 hours. So the school works up to 4 p.m. The school works up to 4 p.m. So here 16 hours. We don't have 16 in the clock. Don't get confused. This is the railway time. 16 hours means here we use only 12 hours clock. 16 is split into 12 hours plus 4 hours. So it means 4 p.m. Next, past, present, future time. Rahul is going to play cricket with his friends. While going, he looked at the clock and observed that the time is 5 o'clock. He wants to play cricket for 1.5 hours. At what time will he come back home after playing cricket? So here this boy want to play 1.5 hour cricket. So he starts at 5 o'clock. 1 hour after 5 o'clock is 6 o'clock. Half an hour means 6 o'clock and 30 minutes. 6:30. So he will come home at 6:30. If he came from school 1 hour ago, at what time did he come home? 1 hour before 5 o'clock is 4 o'clock. So he came from school at 4 o'clock. Rahul's father comes home from office at 7 o'clock every day. But he came 13 minutes late today. At what time Rahul's father come home from office? 7 plus 30 minutes means 7:30. Rahul goes to bed at 10 o'clock. He slept 15 minutes early today. Early means future. Early means past year. 15 minutes less than 10 means 9:45 minutes. How much time does Rani need? Rani can swim across the swimming pool in her school in 4 minutes 46 seconds. In how many seconds can she do that? 4 minutes. Convert totally into seconds. 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. Now 4 minutes is equal to 4 into 60. 4 6 are 24, 240 seconds. Now 4 minutes 46 seconds. 240 seconds plus 46 seconds is equal to 286 seconds. So Rani can swim across the swimming pool in her school is 286 seconds. Now let us see the next page, children. Let us learn to read a calendar now. The calendar shows days of the weeks and months of the year. We can find the date of particular day of particular month by seeing the calendar. The calendar for the year 2020 is given below. You already know about the calendars, children. So in the calendar, this calendar shows the days of the weeks and the months of the year are given here. January to December months with dates and days are also given. So this is the date, day, holidays, children, holidays list. Okay. Now come to the next page. Look at the calendar for the month of August 2020. So this is the August month calendar, this year calendar, children. So look here, Sunday to Saturday days are given and 1st to 31 days are given. Okay, 1st to 31 days are given, days Sunday to Saturday are given. And asking some questions here, children. Look, which days occur 5 times in this month? Look, which days are occur 5 times in this month? Sunday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Monday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Next is Saturday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Sunday, Monday and Saturday occur 5 times in this month. Next question. On which day does August 15th fall on? August 15th, which day? So this is the 15. August 15. Which day? Saturday. It is on a Saturday. Next question. What is the last day in August? So what is the last day in August? What is the last date? 31 days in August month. So 31 is the last day. Which day? Monday. The last day in August is a Monday. 2020 was a leap year. Since February has 29 days, when is the next leap year? So 2020 is a leap year. Leap year means February has 29 days. After this, when is the next leap year? As the leap year comes once every 4 years, the next leap year is 2024. 2020 plus 4 how much? 2024. There are 4 Tuesdays in the month of August. How many Tuesdays are there in the month of August? There are 4 Tuesdays. 1, 2, 3, 4 Tuesdays in the month of August. Number of days between any two given dates. How many more days are there for my birthday? Asked Rashmi. Your birthday is on June 29th. Today is June 8th. Calculate the number of days and tell me, suggested her mother. Rashmi started counting the days 9, 10, 11. But her mother asked her to subtract 29 minus 8, 21 days. So there are still 21 days till my birthday, said Rashmi. Suraj's summer holiday starts from 24th April and end on 12th June. What is the duration of his summer holidays? Number of holidays in April, 30 minus 23. So it starts from 24th up to 23 are working days. 30 minus 23, 7 days. 7 days. And number of holidays in May. How many days are there in May month? 31 days. And up to 12th June. Number of holidays in June? 12 days. Now add 7 plus 31 plus 12. So totally 50 days are there for summer holidays. Okay, children. Explanation of course book is completed, children. Time chapter is completed. Now in the next video we will discuss about the workbook, children. Okay, hope you understand, children. Do you know? Um, you have already learnt time in your previous class, children, and calendars topic is also very easy, children. Okay, we will do more exercise sums in workbook and in activity book, children. Okay, children.